Good morning, students. It's me, Atul Verma, Babu Das University, Lucknow. Now, today we are going to discuss about cloud computing and BI. Okay, let's start. According to Gartner, business intelligence and analytics will remain top focus for CIOs through 2017. And cloud-based business intelligence (BI) is projected to grow from 0.75 billion in 2013 and 2.94 billion in 2018. Cloud computing has been gaining traction thanks to improvement in technologies. But while this is significant, it has been mostly based on technological innovation rather than business requirement. Business intelligence, on the other hand, is all set to provide past, present, and future insight into your business. This is achieved through the use of an array of technology, tech methodology, and practice that stretches from analytics and reporting to data mining and predictive analytics. In providing an accurate picture of the business at a specific point in time. Business intelligence provide your organization with the means to design its business strategies based on factual data. Cloud computing services as a repository for both structured and unstructured data, thus forming an ideal platform to provide business intelligence application with data gathered from a whole range of devices at any time and anywhere. The flexibility and scalability of the cloud act as an ideal complement to business intelligence activities. The democratization of the cloud is now allowing organizations that have used business intelligence with on-premises application and on a limited scale to reach a whole new level. Also, the use of storage, networking, and tools that can sift through big data coupled with analytics capabilities. Many organizations are unable to staff or master the complexity required to manage a BI infrastructure. But with the cloud, these organizations can leave it up to their service providers to both operate and manage the infrastructure and the business intelligence application. These can be a major cost effective alternative as well as a better way to disseminate information compared to an on premises infrastructure. For example, we are seeing organizations test their proofs of concept of business intelligence based application in the cloud prior to on premises development. Those deploying these applications on the cloud have seen reduced cost, shortened implementation timeline, and increased productivity. While the benefits are undeniable, security remain an issue for many organizations that do not look forward to having their data crossing border and failing under foreign jurisdictions. There are also other challenges. including the issue of being able to move large amount of data, concerned about serviceability and the matter of the complexity that stem from integration. After gaining acceptance, crowd is gaining maturity and organization are looking at cloud-based business intelligence to provide them with meaningful business data insight anytime, anywhere, and to a level of quality that has not been seen before. I think cloud computing and business intelligence offer an ideal combination. But what are you thought? Please, Cloud BI a definition. Cloud Business Intelligence BI applications are hosted on a virtual network, such as the internet. They are used to provide organization access to BI related data, such as dashboard, KPIs, and other business analytics. Enterprises are increasingly turning to cloud-based tools like customer relationship management, CRM, application, Salesforce, online file collaboration and storage, Dropbox, Box, and help desk software, user voice, Zendesk, etc. These trends, including business intelligence tools, embracing the agility and accessibility of the cloud. How does cloud computing impact business intelligence? It is a very important question. Nowadays, people asked most. Defining cloud computing. Cloud computing is a common term that is used for defining anything that involves the delivery of hosting services over the internet. A cloud service can be differentiated from traditional web hosting based on three characteristics. These distinguishing characteristics involve the cloud is sold on demand. It is a elastic. The lastly, the cloud services are fully managed by the provider. Innovation in the field of virtualization and distributed computing, along with improved access to high-speed internet, has accelerated the interest of users in cloud computing. Cloud computing service categories. There are some categories where the cloud computing defined very well. These cloud services are typically based on the end user or business requirement. Following are the primary cloud services. First one is software as a services called SaaS. Second one is platform as a services PaaS. And third one is infrastructure as a service IaaS. Now we are going to describe first one is SaaS is often referred to as a software delivery method for providing access to information and its associated function remotely as a web-based services rather than paying for an upfront fee for purchasing the licensed software. SaaS customers pay a recurring fee amount for subscribing to their services. Additionally, they can access the SaaS from any internet connected devices at any point in time. Platform as a services PaaS. In the case of PaaS, the platform is outsourced instead of company or data center purchasing and managing its own hardware and software layer. Most of the PaaS have been designed for developers and they aim to simplify the process of creating and deploying the software. A web developer could use PaaS for operating system software, web server software, etc. And third one is infrastructure as a service. The infrastructure related to computers could include could include server, storage, and network that is delivered as services. IaaS has been popular with enterprise that appreciate the convenience of having a cloud vendor while managing their IT infrastructure. They can even see cost saving as a result of paying only for the computing resources that are used. Security in cloud computing. Security has remained a primary concern for business that contemplated cloud adoption, especially the adoption of public cloud. The public cloud provides shared the underlying hardware infrastructure between a large number of customers, as a public cloud is multi-tenant environment. This environment has for copies isolation between the logical computed sources. Also access the public cloud storage and compute resources are authenticated only by the account login credential. Most organizations are bound by the complex obligations and the governance standards are hesitate in placing data or workload in the public cloud due to the fear of outrage, loss, or theft. With time, these fear has decided as logical isolated has proven to be reliable, and the addition of data encryption along with several entities and access management tools has helped in improving the security of data presenting within the public cloud. Reducing data in the cloud. Today, many companies are working with big data. They are separate type of data that may be high in volume and velocity. In the public cloud, there can be some example, including the geospatial data or clickstream data or even social media data. Companies that deal with the big data have decided to process their external sources in the public cloud and then reduce for or analyze data set in premises to make it a part of a larger analysis. This proves to be a good use of the hybrid cloud model, and the companies carry out the computing work in the public cloud when it does not need the source file for anything else. Cloud enables scalability, flexibility of operating on this data set. The cloud business intelligence applications are hosted over a virtual network, such as the internet. These are used for providing organization access to BI related data, such as dashboard, KPIs, and other business analytics. The enterprise these days have been increasingly turned to cloud-based tools such as customer relationship management, CRM, software, online file calibration and storage, as well as the help desk software. These trends are inclusive of business intelligence tools that embrace the agility and accessibility of the cloud. Cloud computing and business intelligence give a perfect match that industry vertical need. Business intelligence involves the delivery of the right information to the right set of people at the right time. And cloud computing serves as a lightweighted catalyst for accessing the business intelligence application. The cloud business intelligence application can be accessed on multiple devices as well as web browser. Benefit of business intelligence: cloud business intelligence solutions are gradually gaining popularity among the business as the most of the business have realized the benefit of data analytics. Business are in need of quality insight that are driven by accurate data. The SaaS providers service the primary interfacing to the business user community, and the concept of cloud business intelligence refer to the delivery of BI capability as a services. First benefit also have a cost effective. It is a very cost efficiency. In the case of cloud, the company do not need a budget for large and upfront purchase. Regarding the software packages, the company treats BI infrastructure as a services and pay only for the computing resources that are needed, and costly asset acquisition is avoided. Thus, maintaining a reduced entry threshold barrier. Flexibility and scalability is the second point of the benefits. The cloud business intelligence solution have been allow following greater flexibility that can be altered quickly given the technical user to access newer data sources by carrying out experimentation with the analytics model. Also, the cloud sources can automatically and rapidly carry out the scaling in and out by supporting a large number of simultaneously users. Thus, customer can easily increase software usage without any delay in deploying the installation of extra hardware and software. Reliability. Third part is very important for BI. Reliability can be improved through the uses of multiple redundant sites, providing reliability and securing the data storage locations. These sources can be separate across several users, making the cloud computing an option for disaster recovery and business continuity. Enhancement data sharing. Cloud computing applications tend to allow data access to be shared remotely and enable an easy cross-location sharing on of data capability. These are usually deployed by the internet and it remains outside the company's firewall. No expenditure of capital. A low TCO or total cost of ownership is one of the key benefits of the cloud model. With the help of cloud companies, only pay for a service that is actually used. Under this policy, cloud computing allows the company to have better control. or the CAPX and the OPEX that is associated with non-core activities. Challenging is hosting business intelligence on cloud. Some some of the key challenges in hosting business intelligence on cloud includes compliance of the business intelligence applications with the architectural standard of web services, and these standards are defined by either SaaS or PaaS providers. Deploying massive parallel data warehouse system with an event distributed query, load, and even pattern of responsive time from all the database servers. The network architecture need to be designed in such a way that the query load the event distributed amongst the servers represent in the array. These ensure query process time by the servers in any array. In case the server array has employed a storage area network for storing the XML data file and the OLAP queue, the data fetching from various storage device need to be again evenly distributed via an appropriate network connections. Growth of global business tennis market in 2019. The global business intelligence market forecasting to grow with the CGAR. It is a very reputed company to for analyze the growth of countries. 11% in the forecasted period from 2016 to 2020. In the year 2016, the business intelligence market was valued at $16.3 billion, and by the end of the forecast period by 2020, the value of this market is predicted to reach a value of $34.3 billion. The key growth of drivers of the business intelligence market include the adoption of a data analytics by organization all over the world, the emergence of a IoT enabled technology, and increased uses of data analytics, the increase in quality and variety of large volume of data produced by organization has led to increased need for business intelligence tasks. Cloud Cloud business intelligence applications are hosted on a virtual network such as the internet. They are used to provide organization access to BI related data such as dashboards, KPIs, and other business analytics. Enterprises are great history of cloud computing. The concept of cloud computing has its origin in 1950s with the development of microchips and the mainframe computer. Users were able to access the computer through client or terminal computers, and to promote efficient use of central processing unit CPU resources. The practice of multi-tenancies and time sharing involved from 1960s to the late 1990s. Improvements to time sharing model, server balancing, and remote accessing VPN led to groundwork for what would come during the dot-com boom in the early 2000s. The rapid development of computing power and the advent of the internet during the 1990s paved the V for major developments in cloud computing. Early pioneers like Google, Amazon, and Salesforce helped to demonstrate the ability of the cloud to deliver computing power without hardware and locally installed software. Since the mid 2000s, the cloud computing industry has grown exponentially and is predicted to become a $350 billion industry by 2022. Cloud computing needs business intelligence. Cloud computing and business intelligence are an ideal match. Business intelligence is about delivering the right information to right people at the right time, and cloud computing provides a lightweight, agile way to access BI applications. The beauty of cloud BI application is that they are accessible on multiple device and web browser. These circumventing traditional software barriers such as the requirement to access the application on site. Advantage of cloud computing for BI users. Cloud BI offers some significant advantage over on-premises application. Where are a few of these advantages? Easy of use. Cloud BI applications, like other cloud applications, tend to be easier for end user to operate and set up. This means the reduced IT involvement and cost development speed. Cloud applications are very simple to deploy since they require no additional hardware or software installation, scalability, and elasticity. Cloud application can be rapidly scaled to accommodate for an increase in the number of users in an organization. Accessibility. Cloud BI application can be accessed on any web browser or any mobile devices. Cloud BI is the sky the limit. The potential of cloud BI, like cloud computing, is staggering. Enterprise are migrating to the cloud and are already enjoying the benefits such as lower cost, increased development speed, and easy of use. Cloud application now boost equivalent computing power to on-premise applications. They offer user feature depth, and that was up until now only available in locally installed software. Cloud BI has the potential to become a linchpin in the analytic and BI strategy of enterprise, including self-services BI, by providing end user and real-time access to business critical data. Thank you.